Okay, hey guys, I'm Sherbette or Judy or whatever. Okay, so today I'm going to be shooting my own music video on my own. As you know, I like super DIY artist. So yeah. Popping. So as you can see, this is all I have in my room: the messy computer and my bed, and the real messy part. So the first thing I have to do is kind of dress up nicely. As you can see, I'm wearing a dress right now. You cannot see that. And I don't know, put on some accessories. How do you wear this thing? This is supposed to... This is... I don't think this is right, but it's kind of cute. Oh, it makes my face so round. Okay. Just put it away. So the plan for today is I'm going to just live my life and shoot it and edit it. I don't know, maybe I just like mumble to the lyrics and put that as a... I think it's more like a visualizer, I think, but it's not that repeat. I think I'm just going to mumble the lyrics the whole time, and maybe some like I don't know, you see. Okay, so you're going to need a super light up room. As you can see, the lighting kind of changed because I opened the light. Oh, I kind of wish I have the light behind my back, because you see the rim light on. It's so cool. Like the video editor program kind of have like the auto background remove, so I'm going to use that, but we have to help the program to like help differentiate the people and the background. So I think having the light behind your back kind of help a lot. And like, because I'm planning to have a plain white background after I cut myself out, so I think it will suit more for the background. Wait. Okay, wow, I'm like a god. Okay, let's go. Okay, and I also prepared this track, which I put my song here and slow down the tempo to half of it, so we could record it in slow-mo and put it in the video editor and just like speed it up times 2. So slow. Popping. So I kind of just sing to the lyrics here, like I have no idea what to do. And yeah, this is the ×1 speed. It's so slow. And after the lyrics part, I kind of just like being silly to get more footage. And then I put it in the video editor here and click the auto delete background button, which is kind of sucks, so I changed to the manual remover here. And find some white background to put it in the back, and like just be creative with it. And because I work as a graphic designer, so I have like the subscription for the stock, so I kind of have access to this type of video, so I put it in. Yeah, so that's it for my behind the scene of my music video. I'm going to show you some sneak peek of what I did in the video, but please go watch my music video on my channel, it will help me a lot. So yeah, thank you. Popping. Got you on my mind, got you on my mind.